Hi, and welcome to 3dmotive.com. My name is Stephen G. Wells. I'm a senior 3D artist. In this series, we're going to take a look at creating this really odd-looking creature from the Lovecraft pantheon. It's called an elder thing. We're going to first look at the original sketch that we'll work from, and we'll review some of the photographs that we're going to use as a basis for some ideas. We're then going to go ahead and start building, with Dynamesh, just a very quick, basic shape for the body. We'll do a basic shaping for what it considers its head. We'll create a simple Dynamesh sphere and make its arms and then rotate that around into 5 different areas. We're then going to create a tentacle that we'll use as the basic foot for this particular creature. And there's 5 of them all the way around it. Everything is 5 with this particular creature. We're then going to add in a little bit of detailing just so we can see an idea of where we're going to go with it. Obviously with Dynameshing we're not going to go for anything final. We just want to get an idea of how it's all looking. We're then going to finally look at creating some quick little wings for the creature. And then we're going to look to scale the wings down. And then of course multiply them and see how that looks from all directions. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.